juice. Now the potatoes. Dito tayo, guys. Ayan ang ating potatoes. Mute ko because of later. Sana hindi Mr. Potato coming on the town. What time now? It's 2 o'clock. It's okay. I said Tata, he's the one who do this, but Tata is still not yet home. Mr. Potato coming on the town. Tingnan nyo lang. Need to be a lot. So this is pika, Croatian dish, or could be mixed meat or chicken, or depend. This one is a beef, or you can do lamb, turkey, whatever you want. Roast or roasted meat. Ayan, guys, I have struggled with this. Okay, it's finished. Hi, hi, hi. Shout out, shout out. So now we're gonna cut into thin. Oh, wow, wow, you see? Filling cook. Filling chef. Filling chef. Be careful. Last time I have a cut. Cut my hand finger. No, nisam.
Yesi.
Nisam gawar.
Yesi, mama. Mama, that's a teacher of potatoes.
3 ba? Ito.
That's okay.
That's so big.
Carrots. I like Zeko. Zeko, very carrots.
Wow, tapos yellow siya. Zeko, voli carrot. Angela is to voli?
Da. Akati yasam birma yanne voli.
Nee, voli shli porridge. Okay, always washing. Correlate with me, always washing. Okay. My allergy is up.
Potato coming in the tank.
So, this is the meat, the beef, ayan. And the seasonings, ayan. And here's our carrots and potatoes. Now our... No, not yet, not yet.
I want to see Mama.
Okay, just hold on there. Now our carrots.
What?
No, finish the carrots. Now is the onions.
But I want to skinny duck onions.
Okay, pause na yan.
Mama, mo, yes, Mama, mo, yes, skinny